This makeup is going to make you look more beautiful than ever. Watch till the end and I'll show you how to master the art of sophisticated, soft, beautiful makeup look with this beautiful eyeshadow and this beautiful lipstick color. The key of a great makeup is to have a great skin. So remember to wash your face and moisturize it, like what I did right now. And I have done something else as well. I have applied some sunscreen so that the sun wouldn't bother my skin. For today, I'm not going to use any specific primer because I have the best foundation ever. I have this Airbrush Flawless Foundation from Charlotte Tilbury and it is number 5 neutral. Okay, so I take a little bit. Wow. Try not to get close to the eyebrow line. I will tell you why. Just a little bit on the neck. Flawless, don't you think? Where is my concealer? Where is it? I'm not a concealer girl, but I will use it on the blemishes. I will use just a little bit of amount on this part. With a small brush, I will blend it. For contour, use a fluffy, angled brush like this. Wet n Wild contour would be perfect for today. And for today's blush, I'm going to use this Too Faced blush. So I can also use Tropic Like It's Hot color or Sunny Honey. It actually doesn't really matter. Both of them are great. For cheekbones, sweep the contour powder on the hollows of your cheeks, right here, and blending upward for a lifted look. Feel the hollow parts and blend it upward. And now I take a little bit of Sunny Honey color. I add it on the same spots. This is amazing. I mean, I love these Too Faced palette. This is awesome. And for jawline, apply along the jawline. I take another brush for my nose contour. I take this flat brush for my nose contour. I take a little bit of the Sunny Honey color again and just some simple small lines alongside it. And now all I have to do is to blend it with a fluffy brush. This is actually my favorite technique and it will make my nose a little bit more beautiful. And that is to put the dark spots on this part of my nose, right here. Like this. A little bit of these satin sheets just on the tip of the nose. That's great. For blush, I use this Pink Wink color. I tap and tap and tap. And I try to come to the apples of the cheeks, right here. Remember, for ultimate sophisticated makeup, good brands are really important. So I really truly recommend you to use this palette. And as for highlighter, I will use this Starlight color. With a brush like this, I will add some highlighter to the high points of my face. Okay, now it is time for beautifying the eye. Okay, so I will take a little bit of this contour powder for the dimension of my eyes. This is the brush I'm using. Just a little bit on the crease. Try to avoid any lines. Just go back and forth, and that's that. And the palette I'm using for today is Too Faced, Born This Way. The colors are amazing. Just let me show you that. For today's video, I'm going to use Warm Rose. And I try to create a C shape, like this. You see, I draw a C at the outer corner. In a circular motion, I try to blend this C. Now I will add some lighter color, which is Petal. This is it. This is Petal. I will use my fingertips and I will add it here. And I just want to add a little bit of shimmer right now. The shimmer is rose gold. Again, I will use my fingertips and I will add it in the inner corner right here. Let's go take care of the eyebrows. So for today's eyebrow gel, I'm going to use this. This is amazing. This is actually something that gives me a natural look. Smoothly brush upward. Okay, before applying false lashes, I apply eyeliner. This is my pencil liner, as you can see. This is great. For today's eyeliner, I only add it at the outer corner of my eyes. With a small brush, I try to blend the eyeliner like this. And I will continue the line like this. Just a little bit on the lower lash line. For more eyeliner styles, check out the video I have linked here. For the best possible results, always remember to use an eyelash curler. Before false lashes, use a volumizing mascara for a better result. It's time for false lashes. For lipstick, I have an amazing suggestion for you. This is going to be the best lipstick color you've ever had. This is the combination of at least 3 lipsticks all together. Okay, I add a little bit of foundation on my lips. The first lipstick that we're going to use for today is this. The second one is Revolution. This is the third one to use. This is it. Another color of Revolution lipstick. Pink lip liner. How's that? For the last step, I will use some setting powder. I will use the same Wet n Wild palette. Tell me, what do you think about this sophisticated makeup look? This is beautiful. Trust me, if you try this on yourself, you won't regret it. Okay, so it's time to be fully ready, right? Your support keeps this going. Hit that thumbs up, share your thoughts below, and subscribe to stay updated. Thank you so much for watching.